Okay, the next call we're going to talk about is Clucks and Purrs. Actually, we're going to talk about almost any contentment call, things that would be used to try to seal the deal, make that turkey come the last little bit, we want to convince him that we're the real deal and that everything's okay. And with Clucks and Purrs, it's a feeding call, so he knows that everything's okay in there. So here's some Clucks and Purrs, and it's a pretty simple call. You just, you put a little bit of down pressure on the striker and just drag it across the call. You want to add some realism, you throw some soft yelps in with that. That's one of those things you can do that might just seal the deal.